Hello traders, this is David from Apex Alpha Wave Trader. In this video, I want to show you guys a post analytic view of what has happened since I sent out the video on Saturday of what might occur in the market this week. So I'm currently on the DXY 4-hour time frame, and in my last video I was explaining that if this is an expanded triangle, then this should be A, B, C, D, and E, and if this is E, then we should be considering that this move will go down. And I showed you guys that the way to take this trade on any of the currency pairs is to draw a trend line. I believe it was this trend line I was talking about the last time, not this one. I just drew this one, and I was explaining that the market was actually going to come and bounce, which it did, and that you should wait for a break of this trend line here now. So you can see here that the trend line has actually been broken now. So if you are fortunate enough to be watching this video now, then you might have an opportunity to get into this trade. So I actually took advantage of this analysis myself, and I want to show you guys some of the trades that I took. So for the I took a trade on USD CHF because it apes exactly what the dollar index is doing, and I'm just going to, this is the 4-hour time frame, so I'm going to quickly take you to the 1 hour so you can see how I got into this trade here. So you can see that by drawing this trend line here and following the initial trend line I drew on the 4-hour time frame here, I was able to see that the market was constricting into a sort of symmetrical triangle here, and you can see what happened. So I waited until the market actually gave me a trend line break here, and I got in at first with a 0.01 micro lot just to test the waters. So once I saw that the trend had been established, I got in with one lot here, and you can see I'm currently in profit right now. I think it's about 20 pips in profit with the one lot trade and so on. So that's for USD CHF. I'm currently in this trade. I want to show you guys another trade I took on the AUD. Actually, I've been in this trade since Friday, I believe, because for the AUD, I actually went in earlier. I got in here when there was a break of this trend line. That was uh, possibly Friday or Monday. I can't remember exactly, because we had the wave bottom here, and you see we had the golden cross here, golden cross here. So all the parameters were filled, and of course I knew that there was a very strong possibility that once the market broke this trend line, it was going to retest, and I was correct. And you can see where I placed my stop. So even though it nearly took me out, I had to wait it out, and you can see that now it seems to have resolved itself. So hopefully this should keep going up to give us our profit objective. Okay, so this is all based off of the analysis I made on the DXY, because if the dollar index is going to go down, then of course all the pairs that have the dollar index as the secondary pair, secondary currency, will have to go up. Okay, so if we have a look at Euro USD, you see that the same thing is occurring here. GBP USD, same scenario is occurring here. I didn't take trades on these two currency pairs. Now I want to show you guys this currency pair. I talked about this about 2 weeks ago, the Euro JPY and the CHF JPY, and you can see where I am currently. I got into this trade based on the fact that I've been waiting for the market to give me a dip in an uptrend. Okay, so I've been waiting for this trade for quite a while, almost 10 days, I believe. And I finally got what I was looking for here. When I got a golden cross, like I said, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just watch the last video I made 2 weeks ago. I believe it was weekly analysis as well, and I was talking about this. So I've been explaining that as long as you can find a trend, all you have to do is wait for the dips or the rally. So because this is an uptrend, all you have to do is just keep waiting for the dips. And like I said, I've been waiting for this for quite a while now. So eventually I got my wave bottom here, I got my golden cross, and you can see here. So I got in here using the 1 hour time frame. So this was where I got in. Okay, we had the beautiful wave bottom situation, golden cross, golden cross. I got in here, and when the market moved strongly in my favor, I placed another order here. So the first one was 2 lots, the second one is 2 lots as well. And you can see that the market gave me a slight retracement. If I were to extend this trend line, that means that the market actually tried um, to test this trend line but was not able to, and then it's resuming its upward trend. Okay, so this is it for Euro JPY. The second trade I placed was on CHF JPY. The scenario is more or less the same. As you can see here that after the break of this trend line here, the market actually tested the trend line, and that was where I got in. Okay, I believe I got in this trade here, and then I placed the second one when the market went up strongly in my favor. And right now I believe up about 86 pips for the first trade, and the second one is about 41 pips. So I think I'm just going to move my stop now. I'm going to move the first one to lock in profits here. So I've locked in 48 pips for this one, and for this I'm just going to move it to this place as well. So now I've locked in my profit. Just going to do the same for the Euro JPY as well. Move my stop to protect profits. Okay, so this is the way to do it, guys. Trade management. So I just wanted to show you guys quickly the post analytic view of what has occurred, and you can see for yourselves that as long as you are able to analyze the markets using the dollar index, you shouldn't have any problems getting trades. So I hope that this was instructional for you guys, and as always, I wish you guys happy trading. Thank you for listening.